A whooping cough outbreak has now hit Buncombe County. The health department says there are 19 confirmed cases in the county. The respiratory disease is spread from person to person, usually by coughing or sneezing.
The most important thing is to get immunized against pertussis. There are immunizations for young children, there are immunizations for preteens and teenagers, and there are immunizations for adults. So all of us, every one of us, should have our pertussis immunization.
Earlier this month, Transylvania County also reported a pertussis outbreak with 29 cases.